Hello guys, hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to explain about Windows layout in Visual Studio. How this can be used according to our needs. What does that mean? Suppose you want to see two files opened in Visual Studio simultaneously, you can do that. As a matter of fact, you can open as many simultaneous windows as you want. This is mostly used in properly utilizing the screen real estate. Real estate in the sense the screens are if the screen is big, you can utilize the whole screen instead of seeing just one file. You can split the windows into multiple uh, windows. How you can do that? Just click on any tab and then drag to the center and then see. You can see the split window. You can see the two files are simultaneously open, and also if you want to do it one more time, you can add it here and you can adjust something like this. Okay, this is the split feature. And okay, let me go back to the previous thing. Okay, this is vertical split. How about how about you want to split the window horizontally? That means you are in one method, process report, right? This is process report. It is in line number 664. Let us go to the another method which is in line number 1183. You want to see that method and this method simultaneously. Simultaneously in the sense you want to see them in the same screen. How do you do that? You cannot open this file twice, right? You can only open this file only once. What if you want to see that method, which is get process report, and the previous method simultaneously? Is there any way? There is a way. How you can do that? You can split this same file into two halves. You just see the arrow here, just drag down so you can see the same file with two scroll bars. Now here, process report, I'm selecting process report, and if you come here and click here, it is showing set transaction connection. So you can simultaneously scroll these two windows here simultaneously. This is one of the cool feature I liked most in this Visual Studio. Most of the guys who are using Visual Studio for a long time also don't know this. I myself has accidentally discovered it. There might be many features like this existing in Visual Studio, but this is one of the very cool feature I liked about. Okay, hope this you like this. And also, not only this Windows layout, you can also change the layout here. You see here, Solution Explorer is here, and see Git changes, properties, and diagnostics tools is different. You can drag this diagnostic tools inside this, like another tab here. How you can do that? Just pin it, and if you pin it also, you see it occupies most of the screen real estate. What you can do is, if you want to put it inside this, you just drag and put it inside this. Now diagnostic tools is merged into this. Okay, if you want to pull out the properties outside, you can you can add it somewhat like this. Okay, if you want to rechange it, just come here and then put it in the center. You will have it. You can play around with this Windows layout like you wish. And also, if inside this, if you want to pull it, to split it vertically, you can do this. This is about this. The same way, you can also have something like this. Let's say you have this is AOT. You can also have here view, let's say Server Explorer. We have Server Explorer is basically shown on left side. So if you again do this, these are two separate windows. If you can merge both of them into single mm, both of them into single window here. Just let me pin this and then pin this. You can merge these two windows like this. Both will be shown here. The same way you can also merge, you can also play with these as well. Okay, the same way, left, right, and the bottom also, in the downside also you can do something like this. These are all two separate layouts. You can bring that to the center here, and that local watch window is merged into this separate window. And if you want to move this immediate window into this locals window, okay, let me put it here. Let me expand this locals and then pin it. Now these are two separate things. You can move this call stack and put it here, and you can play around like this. This is the Visual Studio window layout. If you have familiarity with this, that will be really helpful. By the way, if you want to undo this change, people generally do this, but they don't know how to undo this. Simply pull it back. Now it is merged. Kind of magic. I like this feature. Okay, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.